This video will show you how to insert a SIM card into the new Petrek 3G, especially if you've bought a tracker that doesn't come with a SIM card. So first, what you want to do is grab a screwdriver that comes with the package, and there's two screw holes here. Just simply unscrew them. And do the same on the other side. Once you're done, simply just pull up from the side here and the cover will come off. Now, with this, make sure you use your nails and sort of slide it down. It's probably already down, so just pull it up like this and put the SIM card in with the cut corner on the top left, like this. And once it's in, just make sure you position it, push this down, and then push it up, and it'll click. And make sure you use your finger, also push the SIM card down, make sure all the contacts are touching nicely. Once it's done, simply make sure that the magnetic charging port here also connects to this here. So make sure you have it on the right way around. Now all you have to do is put these two screws back and you're done. If, however, in the future you need to take the SIM card out again use your fingernails, push this down, click, and up, and out comes the SIM card.